In this video, I'll show you how you can connect MySQL to n8n. So it's very simple, just follow my steps. First step is to open your workflow or create new if you don't have one. So I'm gonna create new workflow. Then from here you can add first step. So click on add first step and you can add trigger. Then click on this plus button and in the search bar type MySQL. Click on it. And from here you can choose actions. So let's say execute SQL query. So click on it. And from here you can choose operation. So execute the SQL. And you need to click on select a credential. So click on it and then click on create new credential. And from here basically you need to connect your SQL account. So you need to type your password, user, database, and host. So also port. Once you have all these things filled, you're going to click on save. And then you are going to be connected with your SQL to n8n. So you can click on execute step and it's going to work. So this is how you can connect your SQL to n8n. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.